Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to spot a fake Tinder account by the name on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Tinder account on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. First, look for usual and random names. Fake accounts often use generic names like Chris123, Beauty456 or strange combination of letters and numbers. Real people usually have normal first names. Check for inconsistency. If the name seems very different from the photos or bio, it could be fake. For example, a profile picture of a woman with the name of John might be suspicious. Watch for multiple profiles with similar names. Scammers sometimes create many accounts with small variations in names. If you see this pattern, it's likely not real. Pay attention to spelling and symbols. Fake accounts often include extra symbols, emojis, or odd spelling in the name to avoid detection. Finally, trust your instinct. If the name looks suspicious or too generic, check the profile carefully. Fake accounts often have other warning signs too, like few photos or vague bio. And that's it. Look for usual names, inconsistencies, repeated patterns, extra symbols, and trusted instinct. These tips will help you spot fake Tinder accounts by the name on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.